Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, we'll do revision on the chapter development. I'll be showing few questions and we'll discuss the answers. Okay. Okay, all of you can see the screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it's multiple choice question. The first one is multiple choice question. Okay. So first question. Adil, can you read the question?
The development goal of a landless agricultural labor is
Yes.
more days of work and
Hmm.
better wages.
Hmm.
B. Assured a high family income through higher support prices for their
Hmm.
crops. E. They should be able to settle their children abroad.
Hmm.
D. Proper and develop irrigational facilities for their crops.
Okay, what will be the answer for this? He is a landless agriculture labor. What will be the answer? Hmm?
More days of work and better.
Yes, more days of work and better wages. Now, next one, it's a case study. Okay, a paragraph is given. Just read that. Prajod, read the question. Question alone. Who are the people from there onwards?
Which one, ma'am?
This one from here onwards.
Who are the people who benefited in this situation?
Situation. Which people got this benefit from this situation? What will be the answer? Prajod. Who benefited from this situation?
D. People.
Hmm? Aditya, what did you say?
Multinational company.
Multinational company dealing with petroleum metals. See, vessel dumped in the sense that ship dumped, okay, 500 tons of liquid waste. They dumped the waste here, and because of that, created problem for the people. Many people, I mean, some people died, and some are in hospitals, and some are getting treated like that. Now, who did this? Multinational company did this, and they contracted a local company to dispose this toxics from the ship. Who are the people who benefited from this situation? It benefited actually the multinational company. They are the ones who brought the waste and all, and they because of that only they are the ones who are considered as a reasons for disposing the waste. Okay, so who got the benefit from this? That is multinational company dealing with petroleum and metals. Next question. And Mary, can you read?
Third question.
Third one, yeah.
If women are engaged in paid work, what difference does it make?
Read the options.
Option A, their dignity in the household and society decreases.
Hmm.
Household work of women decreases.
Hmm.
Income of the family is reduced.
Hmm.
Their dignity in the household and society increases.
Okay, what will be the answer?
Option D, increases.
Option D, their dignity in the household and society increases. Okay, that is the correct one. And Steve, read the next one.
Which of the following is least considered while taking up a new job?
Options.
Income level, job security, dignity, and respect, distance from home.
What will be the answer?
Distance from home.
Which of the following is least considered while taking up a new job? Income level, job security, dignity and respect, distance from home. Okay, that's the correct one. Next one. Adidev, read the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
What is the correct definition of
Slowly,
gross
okay? Slowly, let others also hear.
What is the correct definition of gross domestic products or
Hmm.
GDP?
Hmm.
Option A, it is the total value of all goods and services produced during a particular year.
Hmm.
It is the total value of all final goods and services produced during a particular year.
Hmm.
Option C, it is the value of all intermediate goods and services produced during a particular year.
Hmm.
Option D, it is the total value of all intermediate and final goods and services produced.
Okay,
during a
now
particular year.
everyone just see and think what will be the answer for this.
B.
B. What is the answer, Adidev?
Option B.
B. Okay, it is the total value of all final goods and services. When you're learning that definition of GDP, you are learning that it is a sum of all the final goods and goods produced in all the three sectors you are learning: primary, secondary, tertiary. So services also are included in this. Okay, so when you are writing, you have to understand that it is a value of all final goods and services produced in a particular year. Next question. Pia, just read the question.
Per capita income is income per family, income per person, income per earning member, income per month.
What is the answer? Pia, do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
What is that? Answer.
Mm,
We didn't hear.
income per month.
Income per?
Income per family.
Who knows the answer? Is it correct what she said?
I mean, income per person only.
Income per person. That is the correct one. Okay. So per capita income is income per person. Per person's income in a family. Okay. Not a family's income also. Income per person it is. Okay. Now, data is given. Okay. 5 families, A and B. You have to find whether it is which country has most equitable distribution of income. Country A, country B, country A and B, none of these. How to find this? Can anyone say how to get this? How to find whether the countries have an equitable distribution of income? I made you to do also one sum when we were doing the class, when we were taking. What is per capita income? What is the other name of per capita income?
Average.
Average income. So you know how to find average, right? How to find average? If some 5 numbers are given here, how to get an average? Country A, 5 numbers are given. How you will get an average for that?
Add
Hmm.
add by total number
Add all these numbers divided by
5.
5, right? Same way, find for both the countries and see what is the per capita income.
Because
Huh?
like amounts are distributed at an equal range, like 9,500. Like,
Okay, it is distributed at an equal range, somewhat. I mean, first person, second person, third person, fourth person, fifth person. If you see, it is somewhat distributed equally. Why we can say that it is not distributed equally in the country B?
only one is getting more amount.
Yes, only one is getting majority share. Okay, so if it is given like that, actually no need to find the per capita income. I just made you to want you to find actually because it remains same. Even then, there is in one country it is equitable distribution. The other one is not equal actually. So country A has more equitable distribution of income. Now the data is given, and based on that, few questions are asked. Based on the data, identify the most developed state. They're asking most developed state, okay?
Kerala.
Kerala is the, according to this data, if you see, Kerala is considered as the most developed one. Because they have not given any, they have not given any per capita income. Okay, because if per capita income is given, then we could have thought of that also, Kerala and Haryana. Here only the mortality rate, literacy rate and attendance ratio is given. Next question. This is the same, right? Highest, okay. Highest infant mortality rate. Which state has the highest infant mortality rate?
Haryana.
No, only one. One you can take. Which state has the highest infant mortality rate? That is?
Haryana.
Is it Haryana? Haryana, how many numbers are there?
And Bihar.
Bihar is the correct answer. Okay, they have more number. That is option A. What is the reason they are asking? Why does the state have highest mortality rate? What is the reason for that?
Lack of health facilities.
Yes, lack of health facilities, lack of food security, both none.
MC only.
See, lack of food security can be taken, but even if they are giving both A and B like that, it should be given. I don't know why they have given the option like this. Okay. But health facilities, it is more important, health facilities. Yes, this one is given in your textbook a picture. Just look at the picture. What should be the developmental goal of such an area? That is the question. 4 options are given. What will be the correct option? You can see. Yeah, C is the correct one. Improving the living and sanitation conditions of the poor people living in this area. Okay, as you see that on this picture, you can see that it's all clustered together. So maybe that area of safe drinking water sanitation facilities will not be there. Next one. Choose the correct option, and which one will match the following and choose the correct option. Whether the option A, whether the option B, C, D. Which option is the correct one?
A.
Option A.
Option A is the correct one, because per capita income means what? The total income of the country divided by its total population. That is the correct one. Infant mortality indicates the number of children that die before the age of 1 year. So that proportion, we call it as infant mortality rate. Literacy rate is 1. That is C is equal to 1, and the last one D is equal to 2. So the option A is the correct answer. Next one. Here also match the following and choose the correct option. I want others also to be actively say the answer, okay? Or do one thing, put the answer in the chat box. That's better. So everyone will get a chance. Otherwise, others are just keeping quiet. Option A, B, C, which one is correct answer? Just put that in the chat box. I want everyone to answer, okay? Put the answer in the chat box. So one answer only I got. 2 answers. Remaining all, I want everyone to post the answer.
Option B.
Who is that? I told you post the answer, right? Post the answer in the chat box first. Here only 5 answers have come. Everyone can post the answer. Our class now 24 students are there. Only 7 answers I got. Okay, all have given the correct answer only. Option B. Okay, correct one. Now, next question. Same way, find out the proper answer and post the answer in the chat box. Only one answer I got. Prajot posted the answer. Why? So few answers I got. That is option A, because unirrigated land, when we say, that is related to construction of canals. Debt burden, banks can provide cheap credit with interest, and no jobs in the off season means agro-based mills. Compelled this one, cooperative marketing society. It is a marketing one, sell their grains. Okay, so that's the correct one. Next question. Read the question and post the answer in the chat box. Only few answers have come. First, some are having doubt, some are C, some are D. Read the question once more. That is what? Choose the incorrect option. Incorrect, which is not correct. That one you have to choose. Choose the incorrect option. Okay. That is the one. So which one is not correct? Then you answer what will be the correct option. So whenever you are reading a question, just to see that whether anything is given not or incorrect, like that. Read the question properly. See, prosperous farmer Punjab, high support price. He needs that. He wants that. That is a correct option. Farmers depending on rainfall for farming, development of alternative sources of irrigation. That means those who are depending rainfall, he needs irrigation. Urban unemployed youth, he is unemployed, so he wants regular job with high wages. He wants it actually. That is not an incorrect option. The last one, urban girl from a rich family, lots of leisure time to enjoy. No, is that a developmental goal or what? She may, what is that? It is given in your textbook. She wants, what is that answer? Do you remember?
Freedom as her brother.
Yeah, as much freedom as her brother. She wants to enjoy that, not leisure time. Okay, next question. This also, read the question and post the answer. Only one answer I got. Here also option C, option D, option B, all the options are coming. Option C, option D. Here, see conflicting. Conflicting in the sense, when something is happening, that should be a conflict for the other person. More wages to workers. Any entrepreneur will like to give more wages. Any owner will like to give more wages? Yes or no?
No.
No, why? What's the reason? His profit will? What will happen? Decrease. Yeah, reduce. So this is a conflicting one in the sense, if more workers, if they need more wages, that is in conflict with the entrepreneur. Okay. Rich farmers, they wanted to sell the food grains at high prices, but the poor workers are there. They wanted to purchase the things at low prices. So this is a conflicting one. Rich farmer want to sell at high prices, but poor people, they want to purchase at low prices. So it's a conflict. Construction of dam means the tribal have to leave their place. Tribals, do they want to leave their place?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Means?
They will be removed from their native.
They will be removed. They will be removed. But whether they want to leave that place?
No.
No. So that is a conflict. Right? It is a conflicting developmental goal. Construction of dam means you get more power for the people, but at the same time, it is a conflict for whom? Tribal people, because they don't want to leave their place and go. Okay. Now here, expansion of roads. Expansion of roads, it's actually good for reducing traffic congestion. So is there any conflict in that?
No, ma'am.
No, maybe if they are giving expansion of roads in the city, the people, if they are taking place of people, like for road, that is a conflict actually, but they have not given that. What they have given, if roads are developed, it's good for reducing traffic congestion. So there is no conflict in this. So the D is the correct one. Okay. Assertion. Groundwater is an example of renewable resources. Okay, first point is groundwater is an example of renewable resources. Second reason, if we use more than what is being replenished by rain, we would be overusing this resource. If we are using more than what is being replenished by the rain, we would be overusing this resource. What will be the options?
A.
Option A, that is the correct one, because groundwater, you know that it is a renewable resource. Okay, but at the same time, they are giving a reason here. If you are going on using it, what will happen to it? So both our assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation for assertion. Okay, next one. Different persons can have, no, not this one, just 1 minute. Normally, your money cannot buy you a pollution-free environment or ensure that you get unadulterated medicines. Reason, money may also not be able to protect you from infectious diseases unless the whole of the community takes preventive steps. Once more, money cannot buy you a pollution-free environment or ensure you that you get unadulterated medicines. Reason, money may also not be able to protect you from infectious diseases unless the whole of society takes preventive steps. What will be the answer? Both are correct actually, and reason, reason is the correct explanation of A. See both the sentences as it is, you can see in your textbook. Money cannot buy you pollution-free environment, and money will not be able to protect you from infectious diseases unless the community the whole community takes the decision. Okay, now next one, listen carefully. Sustainable development is essential for growth, economic growth of the countries. Okay, what is the question just heard? A is, we are talking about sustainable development that is essential for growth, economic growth. Reason what they have given, SD means sustainable development, okay? Reason what they have given, sustainable development means it ensures, sustainable development ensures that environment hostile measures and tell me now what will be the correct option.
C.
What is that C?
Assertion is true, reason is wrong.
Why do you say that C?
The sustainable development is good for the environment, not hostile.
Yeah, it is essential for growth. That is okay. Then
It's not hostile, not bad for the environment.
so here what it is given, it adopt hostile measures. Hostile measures in the sense what? What do you mean by hostile measures? Anyone? Arjun? What do you mean by hostile measures? And Steve? Hostile means what?
Host.
Huh? Prajot? Who can say?
Bad.
Yeah, it is inimical towards the environment. So sustainable development, when we say, it never takes anything which is harmful for the environment. So because of that reason, we can say assertion is true, but reason is false. Okay. Next question. Apart from income, which of the following people do not look for development? It is equal treatment, discrimination, freedom, security. What will be the correct answer? Apart from income, which of the following people do not look for development? Equal treatment, discrimination, freedom, security. What will be the answer? You can post in the chat box first. Apart from income, which of the following people do not look for development? Rose, correct. Aditya, correct. Aditya is Krishna. Who else? It's correct. Meghna, correct. I want everyone to type the answer. Which option will be correct? A, B, C, D. Yes. Aditya, what will be the correct answer?
Yes, ma'am.
What will be the correct answer? See,
Of course.
here the question properly. Apart from income, which of the following people do not look for development? Options: equal treatment, discrimination, freedom, security. Savio,
Yes,
Sav-
ma'am.
what will be the answer?
And can you repeat that?
Apart from income, which of the following people do not look for development? Equal treatment, discrimination, freedom, security.
Discrimination.
Discrimination, that is the correct answer. Okay. See here the question once more. Apart from income, which of the following people do not look for development? Do not look for. So if any negative words are there like this, you just read that 2-3 times. They are asking do not look for or not, no. Like these words are there, just to check once more what will be the answer. So the answer is discrimination.